Hey Kristen, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence and see how we can get you some more clients coming through. And so let's start at your website. Looking through your website, you guys have a great looking site. Super like this color. And anything that's a call to action, which would be a click to call or any form submits, are great to have for conversion rates. One thing that I would recommend here would be to have more content. Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet 24/7. And so they are looking through all of this content on your website, as well as what these photos are saved as, and they're looking for keywords. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be showing that you're providing value to your customers, and then you do want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Driveway Sealing Omaha, Nebraska. And whenever your clients are searching for this, the first thing that's popping up here is the organic listing. And so 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing. And this is where your website would be ranking. If we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And it's important to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. The way that you beat out your competitors here would be to have a Google business profile. And you would want more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp, as well as a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And then we're back to the organic listing here. And you do want to be on this first page because 90% of people will stay on the first page. But let's take a look at the #1 ranking website for this keyword here. So they also have some good call to actions here. But it looks like it'd be really easy for you to outdo them with content. But let's take a look at the back end of each website, starting with your competitor. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. So they have 13 and 0.9. And what's making up their ratings here are the number of backlinks that they have. They have 104 backlinks coming from 31 referring domains. And what a backlink is, it's one website linking to another one, kind of like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality ones that will boost these numbers, as well as spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional with your backlinks. And then they have 762 keywords on their website. And if we go on over to your website here, you will have 9 and 0.3 coming from 21 backlinks from 13 referring domains, and you'll have 141 keywords on your website. And so what you'd want to do is boost these numbers here above your competitors so that you are showing up higher on the organic listing section. You would do that by getting more high quality backlinks. And then you would want to make sure that you have buyer intent keywords on your website. And one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You can go into your competitors' backlinks here and then link those to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And then let's take a look at some of the keywords that your competitor is ranking for. Concrete Repair Omaha, 60 people are searching for this every single month. 400, 10, 30. And so there are quite a few keywords through here, as well as pages of these keywords. So we would want to find all the buyer intent keywords that apply to you, put them on your website, and have high quality content to support those keywords, and then get those ranking, as well as having that Google business profile ranking, so you'd want to have more citations there. And so I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to hear from you to find out if it was helpful or not, and I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.